we got the Avata here, and we're going to do something a little bit different. And a lot of my friends try to fly this in freestyle in this drone, and you got a problem when you try to freestyle on this drone. It flutters. It actually doesn't do too well, and it's not really made for that, and you can't tune it or anything. So you got to kind of figure it out yourself. But I want to tell you how to do that. This is not on how to switch it to manual mode, but this is how to fly it like an acro drone. Uh, this is my job now, guys. So if you would support me, it'd be greatly appreciated. I lost my job today. Merry Christmas. All right, so the whole gist of that is whenever you fly this thing and you don't want to fly it in freestyle, when you get back on the throttle, don't graduate into it. Don't do it gradually. Go full throttle. So whenever you're coming out of a power loop and you're coming down, give it full throttle. Don't worry about easing into it, because when you ease into it, this thing jitters, shakes, it gives you a lot of prop wash. So anytime that you're wanting to actually make this thing move like a freestyle drone, and fly like I just flew it right there. Always full throttle out of it, and it will do pretty good. You don't have to worry about it shaking and doing crazy stuff. I've seen my friends cartwheel this thing and plane it into the ground, and a lot of people try to make it smooth and fly smooth. Well, it already flies pretty smooth. Just let the drone do the work, and you just do your tricks and full throttle out of it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more.